Hello and welcome to the channel again with the JW Solar USA live from Minnesota. Guys, this is what I have for you today. Yesterday, um, I decided to take a stroll, drive to the city and look what I found. I got some nice cables for solar, and these are tough wires that you can see the thickness of the shield. It's not a joke. So this wire I know is very expensive. You can do underground with this a UL I call it ultraviolet rays, and you guys can see the thickness of the insulator. It's so thick that it's unbelievable. The copper, tin plated copper, it's not that much in there at all, but it looks like if I can count the way it was arranged, it seems like it's let me focus there. Like you have 4 or 5 big clustered clustered um strands on it, but it's thick, just like having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like a spider eyes, like a 6 when you have those 12 or 14 gauge wire, you know, like they all put together like a little positive, like a live, neutral, and at ground cable. That's how it looks like, but it's just a single. But if I can take you here and see this, how thick is the wires, the strands there. Look at this. It's really thick. You know, is I don't know if it's number 8, but it's not gonna be a number 10 because it has a lot of thick strands on it. These are thin copper plated. See that? So the copper. And guys, I went to my store, regular store, just checking out. Look what I found. This is the item number. If you want to look it up, that's fine. And I say cable power electric, so I can able to use this for solar, bringing power from array from my junction box, so which is the combiner box with the midnight solar breaker or combiner box. I can able to put a thing there, like bringing the panels from the panels to the breakers, and it's gonna be like the output, doing a long run all the way to the house. And I have a plan for this, or I can use this for running AC power for long distance, like setting up a system. There's already a plan for it. Setting up a system far away and running the power from that place, that location, all the way to the house where it's gonna be the main disconnect, and run into the house. So this is the one like driving the power. It's gonna be a high voltage. You guys have seen all the Outback inverters. So this is the plan. So bringing the 230 volt AC, and they can run the distance, the a distance from maybe a 50 foot or something, 50 to 100 foot, or maybe 50 yards or whatever. I'm just speculating right now, but you can't believe what I found these things for. These are 100 foot each, and check this out. So 45 bucks. 45 bucks, no complaint. So I was gonna resist not to buy it. It cost me very close to 100 bucks, but I gotta do what I gotta do, because you can't find these deals once in just really easy. But I wish I would have known the gauge for this, but there's no gauge. This is a commercial grade, where I normally I can find all my little gadget stuff, whatever I wanted. I made this while laying there. It's already have look at this. It's already have a connector, a terminal, and these terminals are really expensive. I used to use them back in the day, and where I used to buy solar stuff, and they have these connectors, but it look like it has like a cloth, like if you look at it, just like a water hose, it has a double shield, like a cloth, just like a tire for car, and like a rubber hose. You know how they normally have that kind of like a cotton like material that's built into the stuff. But oh, sorry for the shake. um it's pretty interesting, you know and the strands that the one that really caught my eye, because I really like beefy wires because of my applications and whatever I want to do. And look at this. If you look at this, you will see how much thickness it is. The thickness alone is something. Look at this. Just like a water hose, a rubber hose, and the wires in there. So he can take a lot of UV, no problem. He can take a lot of abuse. He can do this thing. It's not gonna go anywhere. Even probably trying to chop this thing. Maybe you digging, with a hoe or something. You're trying to get this thing. You're not just gonna penetrate right away in. Look how thick it is. Look how thick it is. To be honest with you, just look how thick this thing is. The camera can only focus right. See that? Approximately an inch or half an inch before you reach the wire. So I just decided to show you guys. This is what I got. But anyway, $45 for 100-foot cable, and I think it's a good deal. I know wires are not cheap, but hey, depends where you find them. So I got my sauce, and I got my ways where I can get stuff. Where and anytime there is something available, they update me, they keep me posted. So I just go and just do my thing, or maybe sometimes my instinct just say, okay, why can't you stop to your regular store and I can meet some stuff on clearance? So I just go and pick them up. So buy them and put them, save them. It's not a bad deal if you can do that, because anytime you want to do an install, hey, you don't have to ask, you don't have to hurry about, you don't have to worry about, you don't have to think about, hey, price range, how much it's gonna cost me, a lot of money, and so blah blah blah. You just take your wires, get your breakers, get your breaker box or disconnect combiner box, solar panels, batteries, and just move on. I can able to use this one as well. If I want to do connect lithium batteries, I can do that. Lithium batteries, I can use this wire. Look how thick it is. I can use this wire for just like I use number 4 or number 2 gauge. But there's a lot of strands on this thing. Lot. Thin copper plated. I can able to do this and interconnect batteries, like high voltage batteries, or maybe cable to charge controllers. There's gonna be like a lot of heat penetration. This thing can just die hard. You don't have to put in a conduit at all, because this thing's gonna rock and roll. And charge controllers, or maybe off to a battery, we might be a kind of a little bit small, but it depends how many voltage or amps you're driving. More the amps, not the amps you're gonna be driving. But to my understanding, look at this thing. Cut this strand just to show you guys. Look how thick. It's a lot of thin copper plated, a lot of wires into this. Look at that. Look how beefy it is. Well, I'll let you decide, and let me know on the comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.